Hi everyone. So I'm in Kerala now in Kochi and I'm visiting our factory today. So what I'm going to show you today is live loading of our 40-foot reefer container. So here you can see there is a truck that has come here and this is a 40-foot reefer container which I'll show you the loading of all those products in a minute. So I'm in front of the container now. So as you can see it's being loaded and we've got our staff which is connected. So this is connected to the cold storage and here we've got the products being loaded onto. So this is a 40-foot reefer container going to Australia and we've got all the products being loaded. I'll show you inside of the container in a minute. As it's a frozen food product, it's important to make sure that the temperature is maintained. So they bring small quantities, small batches of these products, and then that's how they load it onto the container straight away. So so that the temperature doesn't get reduced. As this is a 40-foot container, around 2,200 of these cartons are going in this shipment today. So as you can see, I've worn the cap now, so I'll be getting inside the container because for hygiene reasons you have to wear the cap, and then I'll be going into the container and then show you the process. I'm inside the container now, so it might be a bit dark, and you can see that they're being loading the products there. So it's all coconut that's being loaded. People are carrying the products and so this is the outside of the container and then you can see the inside of the container as well here. So all the products they have started behind and they're loading. So we've got 6 items in this container to Australia. Once a container is loaded, then it goes on to the port because it's custom bound zone. Our factory is in Cochin export zone, so there is no customs inspection required. So that's via the green channel. It goes via the port, and then from there it's loaded straight onto the ship.